Hey guys, it's Friday. It's currently noon. I'm going to be showcasing the breakout cycle indicator. We get dynamic support resistance when price is in between the support and resistance. The candles turn white to show compression. Since this is only for breakout trading, you want to take the trades on successful breakouts. So currently around 10:05. We had a massive breakout. I mean, it was breaking out the day before, as you see here. It broke out, pulled back, and then broke out again. So the shorts are shorting today. And then currently, I mean, the whole day seems to want to just keep bleeding. We have our dashboard up here showing that the volatility is strong on the bear side. Market internals. ES is also just ripping down. So this is really good stuff. And to get extra confirmation, you have multi-time frame candles here. So 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. I like to just have one candle displayed from each just to keep it clean. You can have multiple candles for each time frame. So this is the 1 minute chart with the breakout cycle indicator and then multi-time frame candles and then my dashboard. A lot of confirmations. So also I appreciate all the support that the channel has been getting so far. We're about to reach our goal. And I'm going to give a little sneak peek. So it's not just indicators that I will show you guys how to get access to. There is a whole Discord and other stuff along with the Discord that comes with the indicators. Here's a little sneak peek while you guys watch this bad boy get into action. It's not just indicators, but there's a whole Discord that you would join. So there's categories and channels. So we have a help center where there's a bootcamp. And this is going to be fantastic for beginners and intermediate traders. So beginners who are like learning the market or don't really have like a strong sense of like how the market works. The bootcamp will teach you how to understand the market and like how like the market moves. So like price action, because price action is king. There's like a TradingView guide since these indicators are based on TradingView. Soon the indicators will be on NinjaTrader. So for like the intermediate traders and up that like to use NinjaTrader, these indicators will be on NinjaTrader soon. And then there's an indicators guide that gives a more in-depth explanation on how these indicators work. And then for my future lovers, there will be a prop firm guide, there's a help chat, and then the trading floor. So we got my folks who love options, since these indicators work pretty much in all markets. So Forex, crypto, futures, options, trading shares. These indicators work for all markets. So we got 0 day to expire lotto signals. So for folks who love to trade 0 days to expire, feel a little bold. This is a really good channel to look at. Share profits. I will show some screenshots of people who are making bank every day with these indicators. And then futures chat for futures, options chat for options. And then, so the owner who made these indicators, like he explains how exactly like he trades and like what he does on like a day-to-day basis. So he does like prep, he draws like support resistance, supply demand, key levels. So like daily trade plans, trade recaps. It's all really good stuff. So like the S&P 500 probability, Nasdaq probability, Dow probability, Russell. So it's showing data where it's capturing all like the calls and puts orders for like the options market, and it is estimating the probability of where like the direction the market will go. So this is some really good stuff. Events calendar, which is super helpful. So it lets you know on the news that's happening on a daily basis. So news like FOMC, Powell, job claims. You want to make sure you are aware of news that are happening on these specific days. So you're not getting chopped up or a massive wick comes out of nowhere. Um, so it's good to have that kind of market awareness. Earning reports, just the earning reports for certain stocks. If you like to trade earning reports, um, options, shares, market news, pretty much the same thing. Um, and then signal strategies. So in this channel, I always go over the indicators and the signals that fire off. So strategy guide pretty much is a more in-depth analysis on how to trade smart with like risk reward, TP, stop loss. So a strategy guide um, is like really helpful. And then we got a little automation here, which I will go over that in future videos. Cyborg, which is also a part of automation. We'll get to that another time. We got strategies and strategy chat. So there are tons of strategies with the indicators. So previous videos I've talked about the power indicator. I talked about rocket. I talked about breakout cycle, trend flow, trend wave. There's all kinds of strategies that you can use if you want to do like short term scalping, mid to long term trades. So like day trading, intra trading, you can even do swing trading. And it also depends on the time frame. So there's strategies that I will go over in future videos and how you can trade a lot of these strategies to make consistent profits on a daily, weekly basis. And then signals. So we got futures and options data. And basically, there's a bot that uses a strategy, which the strategy that we are viewing here, breakout cycle. So since these indicators are built on price action and built for breakout trading, there is data where there's a bot that takes entries based on these breakouts. So for options, it takes breakouts on SPY, QQQ, XPX, um, and it lets you know what is the highest price that it has achieved during that breakout signal. And for futures, it's the same thing. It takes breakouts for like NQ, ES, and whatever is the highest P&L is achieved during that breakout. So people are passing prop firms. They're making they're making at least $1,000 a day. And this is recent, so this was like a couple days ago. Um, People are consistently making profits on a daily basis. Um, with good risk management, you can have some red days, but you can still be green in the week, um, or green in the month. So this is someone's P&L of March, and it's looking pretty green. There are people that like to copy trade, so copy trading across multiple accounts, just consistently making profits. 6K, $3,200 across like 6 to 8 accounts. Um, People just making bank. Prop firms, options. You can also do the same for Forex and crypto. So these indicators are insane. So that's just a little sneak peek. A little sneak peek. So now let's do a little back testing. So we had fantastic breakout cycle signal happen today around 10, and also the day before, so around like market close, it just continued to break down on the downside. So as you see here, not every breakout cycle is gonna move aggressively like as you saw here. So there's usually 1 to 2 good trade setups that happen on a daily basis. Those who love breakout cycle, that loves trading breakouts, just 1 to 2 trades setups every day is like pretty good. Now Wednesday was massive. Downside breakout here, chopped a bit, and then another downside breakout here. Do a little replay. So you gotta always consult your confirmation. So your multi-time frame candles here, your dashboard. So you see on all your higher time frames, it's showing strong bearish sentiment, and then bearish, strong, bearish. So it's just ripping downwards. And then, it's a little, 15 and 30 minute are showing that it has reached the bottom. You could have exited here to make profit. What this was 491 to 489, 40, 488. Almost a $3 move. Really smooth stuff. So your 1 hour would have helped you held in even longer, because even though the 15 to 30 minute a new candle formed, the 1 hour consistently showing downtrend. So some people would have got out here or trimmed like 80% contracts and then just continue to hold like runners. So massive breakout on the upside. This would have been an amazing swing opportunity here. If you enjoyed today's video, feel free to drop a like, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate all the support that everyone is giving me. Once you guys help me reach that subscriber goal, I will show where you can get access to these indicators and to the Discord.